The instructions shown in this video may not apply to your screen door, depending on how old it is. Contact your nearest Bradnam's office for instructions on how to remove a sliding screen door. Before you begin, ensure you're wearing all the appropriate safety equipment. You will need help from another person. The tools you'll need are a Phillips head screwdriver, a vacuum cleaner, and a small brush. The screen door may need to be lowered via the adjustment screws before you can remove it. They are located at the top and bottom of the screen. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, rotate the bottom screws anti-clockwise. You may also need to adjust the top screws to remove the screen door. Standing on the outside, slide the screen door halfway open. With the help of another person, locate the two wheels underneath the screen. Push them up using a finger, then lift the screen. Tilt its bottom towards you and the other person, and out over the track. Carefully move the screen downwards. Gently rest it on the floor. Before returning the screen to the door, clean the track with a vacuum cleaner and a small brush. With the help of another person, lift the screen into the door head. Tilt its bottom towards you and the other person. Locate the two wheels underneath the screen. Push them up using a finger. Then push the bottom of the screen door over the track into position and allow it to sit on the rollers. You've now successfully removed and replaced a Bradnam screen door.